on, family? It's Pat at the Rock Harley-Davidson. Just want to showcase you one of our used bikes in our lineup. So this is a 2016 Aprilia Tuono V4 Factory Edition. It is an 1100cc bike. Now it does classify in a sport bike, so this is a bike you can take to the track on the weekend, but insurance companies still look at it as sport touring. So that is a bonus on this model here. You'll see up front, Olin suspension, front and back. You do have dampening on both as well to play with adjustments. You do have a Leo Vince exhaust, carbon fiber in the back. It has a Bosch tune on the ECM on the bike. You can also tell that 40 style tail on these guys here. Basically brand new tires, front and back. So you do have that's more of a motocross style handlebar compared to a clip-on bar like on an RR race bike. Makes it a little bit easier to handle. You don't have to lean in so hard. Now this bike does have 13,042 kilometers and it's up for $13,400. Give us a call if you guys are interested. We also take anything on trade. We got a wide lineup of bikes. Come on down and check us out.